Welcome back to Manufactory Insights. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in SAP PPDS, heuristics. If you have worked with the PPDS, you have probably heard terms like product heuristic, scheduling heuristic, or SAP PP 002. But what exactly are heuristics? Why does PPDS use them? And when should you use heuristic instead of the optimizer? By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how heuristics drive day-to-day planning in SAP PPDS. Let's start with the basics. Think of a heuristic as a planning engine inside SAP PPDS. Its job is simple. It takes demand as an input and automatically creates planning proposals based on predefined planning rules. Instead of manually creating plan orders or procurement proposals, planners can execute a heuristic and let the system generate the required supply automatically. In short, heuristics help planners make fast and consistent planning decisions. To understand the importance of heuristics, let's see where they fit in the planning process. Planning starts with the customer demand, such as sale orders or planned independent requirements. PPDS then synchronizes demand and supply information. At this point, heuristic act as a planning engine. Based on the planning rules, they create planned orders, purchase requisitions, or stock transfer proposals. These planning proposals are then scheduled and ultimately executed in manufacturing. So, heuristics are the bridge between demand and supply creation. The next question is, why SAP PPDS relies heavily on heuristics? Manufacturing environments often require planning decisions to be made quickly. Running mathematical optimization for every planning situation may not always be practical. So, heuristics provide a fast and efficient way to generate feasible plans. It also supports both interactive planning as well as to perform the planning in the background mode. Moreover, heuristics can be configurable and it is rule based. For an example, you can consider a main attribute to schedule your order based on that main attribute. For an example, color. Based on the color code, you can schedule the orders continuously. So heuristics consider planning parameters, lot sizes, lead times, resource constraints, and scheduling requirements. This allows planners to react quickly to changes in demand while maintaining planning stability. SAP PPDS provides different categories of heuristics to support different planning needs. Majorly, we can categorize as planning heuristics, then scheduling heuristics. Planning heuristics focus on creating supply proposals to satisfy the demand. Scheduling heuristics focus on sequencing and resource scheduling. Under the planning heuristics, you can categorize product heuristics as well as service heuristics. Product heuristics focus on material and product planning, where service heuristics, it won't create any procurement proposals, but it supports the planning. For an example, creating a fixed pegging relationship. That is one of the example for the service heuristics. So each category solves a specific planning problem and can be combined depending on the planning scenario. Now let's look at some commonly used PPDS heuristics. SAP PP 002. It is one of the most frequently used heuristics for standard lot size planning. Then SAP PP SL 001 supports shelf-life planning scenario. And the next one is C001 is useful in continuous planning environments, especially in process industries. Then MRP 001 performs multi-level product planning according to low-level code logic. Scheduling heuristics such as SAP 001, SAP 002, DS01 helps sequence the orders to remove the backlog and to perform the capacity-based scheduling. So while you don't need to memorize all heuristics names, understanding their business purposes is very important. Now let's see how heuristics fit into a practical planning process. Demand enters the system through sale order or forecast. Obviously, the required data setup need to be available in the PPDS system. And the planning parameters also required to work with the PPDS planning. By running the heuristics evaluates requirements and available supply. It then generates plan orders, purchase requisitions, or stock transfer proposals. These proposals are subsequently scheduled and refined for execution. This entire process can be completed in seconds, making heuristics ideal for daily planning activities. Let's consider a simple manufacturing example. Imagine a company producing a paint in different colors. Customer demand suddenly increases for red paint. Instead of manually creating production orders, the planner runs a PPDS heuristics. The system automatically generates the plan orders based on the required quantities and planning rules. If scheduling heuristics are also used, the system can sequence similar colors together to reduce cleaning and setup time. This improves efficiency while reducing production cost. This is a practical example of how heuristics support daily manufacturing operations. Many planners ask whether they should use heuristics or the optimizer. The answer depends on the planning objectives. Heuristics are fast, practical, and ideal for day-to-day planning. They follow predefined planning rules and generate feasible planning proposals quickly. Optimizers, on the other hand, evaluate multiple alternatives and calculate the best possible solution based on cost and penalty settings. A simple way to remember this is heuristics provide a fast practical plan. Optimizer provide the best mathematical plan. In many organizations, both are used together. Before we conclude, let's summarize the key points. Heuristics are a rule-based planning algorithm used in SAP PPDS. They automatically generate supply proposals based on demand. They are fast, efficient, and suitable for daily planning activities. Different heuristics address different planning requirements, including product planning, supply creation, and scheduling. And for more advanced optimization scenarios, heuristics can be combined with the PPDS optimizer. In simple terms, heuristics are the foundation of day-to-day planning in SAP PPDS. I hope this video helped you understand SAP PPDS heuristics in a simple and practical way. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Manufactory Insights. Let me know in the comments which PPDS heuristic you use most frequently in your projects. And stay tuned for upcoming videos on PPDS scheduling, setup matrix, optimization, and advanced planning concepts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.